Opúšťame loďku dočasne. Dnes je 8. januára, 8:30 ráno miestneho času.
Skoro.
Skoro miestneho?
Skoro 8:30.
Dali nám čísielko. Som Silver Group number 19.
Označkovaný a dobytok zase.
Hej. Lebo sme súčasťou delegácie. Sadili nás do slušivého klimatizovaného autobusu.
Right? So great time, right? So everybody have great time in Vietnam so far, I think. Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City.
Our journey through Asia countries continues for 3 days in Vietnam. The first stop is the most populous city and also the financial center of Vietnam. It has had several names through history. The locals still call it Saigon. This name was given to the city in the 1960s, when the city was conquered by the French. In 1975, it was renamed to Ho Chi Minh City in honor of the Prime Minister of North Vietnam and later the President, Chairman and the first Secretary of the Workers' Party of Vietnam, who supported Marxist-Leninist ideology. Technically, Saigon is the center of the city and its surrounding areas, while Ho Chi Minh City refers more to the modern city with all its urban and rural districts.
Alright, this is North Saigon River. If you want to say thank you by Vietnamese language, you say cảm ơn. You are welcome. Không có chi. Hello means xin chào. Oh my God. Oh trời ơi. Yes. Oh trời ơi, yeah. Right here, again, you see the street over there, you turn right, you keep...
Ideme na 49. poschodie. Už tam budem? Hello. Thank you. To je svetlo. Saigon ako na dlani.
With 68 floors and height of 262.5 meters, the Bitexco Financial Tower is 5th tallest building in Vietnam. In 2015, it was declared as the 2nd most iconic skyscraper in the world. Design is inspired by the lotus flower, which is the Vietnamese national flower. On its 49th floor, there is an observatory open to the public. Admission is 200,000 Vietnamese dong, which is not even €8 or $9.
Nejde. To nemám motor.
In just 8-minute walk from Bitexco, you can find the People's Committee of Ho Chi Minh City. This magnificent building built in the French colonial style at the end of the 19th century, was originally constructed as a hotel. At the moment, it serves as a city hall, but not open to the public. However, the building attracts many tourists. Does not remind me of something? Just 6 minutes walk from the city hall we can find this Roman Catholic church Notre Dame, which was built by French colonialists in the second half of the 19th century, because their wooden church was damaged by termites. All the material used to build the cathedral was imported from France.
Jasne, ja idem na poštu ticho do Mekača.
Literally, across the road from Notre Dame Cathedral, it's a very famous tourist attraction in Saigon. The post office was built at the end of the 19th century, at a time when Vietnam was part of the French Indochina.
Madam. Come on. Thank you.
Zostało asi litru. Nie je zle.
Dobre to je, hej. 30 000.
Asi
Jaká
litru.
suma?
Asi litru.
While Marian was trying to shake off the Vietnamese businessman, I tried to cross the road. I salted in Solomon and joined these local gentlemen. A tip for crossing the road: just go and don't mind bikes, because they won't stop even when the light for pedestrians shows green. Just walk, definitely don't run, and don't stop at all, because you will cause an accident. Don't wait till someone stops, it would be a wasting of your time. Next 7 minutes walk from the post office, we found the Turtle Lake. It lies on the territory that served as a city gate during the reign of Nguyen, the last dynasty of Vietnam. After the French destroyed the city, they rebuilt the gate into a water tower, which supplies surrounding area with water. There is a story connected to the lake. It says, when Nguyen Van Thieu became the second president of South Vietnam, he invited Master Feng Shui to reconsider the location of the Independence Palace. The master said that he felt the presence of the dragon spirit, which has great value in the Vietnam faith. The Palace of Independence is specifically built on the dragon's cell, which means that the country has a great chance of prosperity under President Nguyen's rule. However, the lake is located on the tail of a dragon, and that moves uncontrollably. The master designed a spell. He placed a huge turtle on this place to immobilize the dragon's tail. There is a copper turtle in the middle of the lake. It is designed in an octagonal shape, and a circle of yin-yang is shown at the bottom. Seen from above, the lake resembles a shell of turtle. Another 10 minutes walk and we arrive at the already mentioned Independence Palace, also known as Reunification Palace. Construction of the palace began in 1962, and the first stone measuring 50 cm along each edge contains French gold and silver coins, with a portrait of Napoleon III. It was the home and office of the President of South Vietnam during the Vietnam War. On April 8, 1975, a South Vietnamese Air Force pilot and a communist spy tried to bomb the palace, but did not cause any significant damage. 2 weeks later, a tank of the North Vietnamese army demolished the main gate, ending the Vietnam War very effectively.
Bežne tu polieva sa záhrada hadicami, akože pohoda, na stromčeky, na travičku. Tu sa polievajú chodci. Ako je horúco, ale nechcem byť mokrá. Lampu to poleje, hej. Dobre, ja idem.
Ja.
Poď, ty to dáš. Ty si tomu utiekol.
Bentan Market is just 10 minutes walk from Bitexco Financial Center. This market is one of the oldest preserved structures in Saigon and an important symbol of the city. It welcomes more than 10,000 visitors a day and has almost 1,500 tents with more than 6,000 small shops. The market has 4 main gates to all cardinal directions. Each of them has a specific range. The southern gate includes clothing, textiles, shoes, jewelries, and cosmetics. The north gate is a place where we can find various types of fresh fruit, fish, poultry, and also classic Vietnamese ready meals. The eastern gate offers packaged food, such as dried seafood, poultry, roasted peanuts, coffee, tea, sauces, herbs and spices. At the opposite end, the west gate offers mainly art and ceramics.